What's up, guys? Chef Anthony from Dawn's Appliances here. So pumped to bring this to you guys. We are in this amazing kitchen, but we're not indoors. We're outdoors today. We're on the Weber grill. We're going to show you guys how to smoke some wings. That's right. Smoke some wings on a regular Weber grill using just like some aluminum foil, using some wood chips, making it great for you guys out there that have a Weber grill, don't have an offset, or are looking to just smoke and up your grilling game. We're tailgating it the right way, all right? So let's jump right into it. Let me talk about this. So we got some good chips here, guys. You can use apple chips. You can use all the different ones, but the chunks are kind of the best for this because they burn slower, okay? The thinner chips, guys, you're going to have to change those chips out. This is it. Just like this, we're going to wrap this guy up in foil, okay? And then I'm just going to take a knife, pierce a couple holes in here just so it vents, and we're going to put this on the grill. I'll walk you through that once we get out to outdoor land. Now, guys, we're going to talk about the wings. All right, we went to the market today, got some fresh wings. We're just gonna pat these jams dry just to get the moisture off it. I've done them already, but I just wanna see, just so you get that little bit of moisture off there, because you know me, the drier they are, the better the rub sticks. And when we start to smoke, you're gonna see, different color and the different rub come out and really make it like that pro rib show, All right, little bit of oil, we're gonna drizzle it here, okay? Just a tiny bit. It helps with consistency, a little bit of fat on those wings too. Give it a quick roll like this, okay? Next, we're gonna talk about rubs, guys. Rubs, there's a million different rubs. You can make your own, you know what I mean? But you need salty, sweet, and spicy. You need those three components to come together to really get you a good wing. Paprika and things like that. Those chilies really give great color, especially when we're going to the grill to smoke, all right? So I got some sweet and spicy barbecue here. Nice little blend, and go liberal on this, guys. You know what I mean? Add some. You got to add some spice in here. You got to the smoke's going to help you, but the spice is really going to aid in it. I always finish it with black pepper right here, and then a little bit of the salt because that'll bring out some of the moisture. Really kind of help us, get in our game. All right. Toss these guys up just like this. We want them nice and coated. And you're going to be surprised how much coating gets on here. We need them, really coated, really dusted. This is really what we want to do. Like this, let me show you this. That's the perfect wing. So excited. These smell great. We're going to head out to the grill, make some magic. Let's do it. All right, gang. We got the Weber. We got it heated up. Let's turn this guy up. Here's where I put the foil. Look at that. So I put the foil on there, and you can already see the smoke coming out of there. And it's not too hot. I choked the heat back. We want to be around 325 to 350 degrees on this one, okay? We're going to put our wings on the off side. So if you see our setup, the right side has the heat. The center, I'm just going to play back and forth with a little bit. And this side is completely off. So it's our cool side. So we call this indirect cooking, all right? So we'll put our nicely coated and glazed wings right there, all right? And guys, this is personal preference. I like them all to go to the same angle, and I like them all to go to the same size. So I got the skin side on top, okay? And that will help ensure even cooking as well. So let's check that out. We have the smoke, and what it's gonna do is really gonna gradually go over here. And in 15 to 25 minutes, we're gonna have an amazing smoked wing. So stay tuned on this. Weber lid down. Boom. All right, crew, it's been a little bit longer. It's been about 45 minutes, but I just let them go. I want you guys to see this. This is pinned. Look at this. Look at the good color on these guys. And look at our foil over here with our chips in there. They're nice, chunky. We're almost out of the smoke, but let's pick these guys off. I mean, that is perfect. Look at that. This is great. We're going to put them right on the board. And like I said, guys, if you want a little more color, re-smoke it, put some more chip on, give it another 15 minutes, give it that true hour. But I think, for the size of these wings, that looks outstanding for a smoked wing on a Weber grill like that. I mean, I love that. Let's take these guys in. Let's dress these up. Let's get these all ready for tailgate time. All right, let's do this. Whew. All right, wings are ready to roll. We brought them indoors. Look at the great smoke on there again. Again, let them sit a little bit so the flavors don't get out. I'm gonna make a sauce for them. I can't serve my wings alone, and they need friends. So here's the debate: it's blue cheese or ranch. Everybody's either blue cheese or everybody's either ranch. I'm both, so I'll show you my ranch-based blue cheese sauce, all right? Let's dive in. Nice wedge of blue. We got it room temperature. We're just gonna break it up with a spoon, just like this. We want some chunks in here, all right? And if you guys are, say, hey, I don't like blue cheese, just omit this step, and we'll just go with ranch, all right? Just like that. You can buy a crumbled, but what's the fun in that? Let's pop this guy in, right in our bowl. Next, we'll add ranch. So this is about 6 ounces of crumbled blue. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ranch. Right in there, all right? Give it a quick little mix. We got 3 chives that I diced up nice and big in there just to give it some contrast and some color, and adds a little oniony flavor to it, okay? Next, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, all right? Get that in there. Then we're gonna bring back the rub. I'm gonna bring back, a teaspoon of the garlic rub and a teaspoon of the sweet and smoky rub, all right? That really helps it out. Then 1/4 teaspoon of this mustard in here. Once again, a little bit of mustard, then some cracked black pepper. Will give it a little bit of bite, a little bit of sharpness. So we have the ranch creamy, the blue cheese creamy. Mix this guy all around. And this will really feed off the protein, the wings, all that great flavor, okay? I think that's ready to roll, all right? I'll serve this guy just like this. Nice dollop right on the board. This is tailgate time. You know what I mean? This is a halftime this is a halftime party. Get it just like that. All right. Here's a little added piece, guys. I just got a block of smoked cheddar, okay? Being that we're smoking the wings, we do all this fun stuff. Add a little smoked cheddar right on top of these guys. And it'll just change everything that everybody ever does with wings, and your whole crew will love it. Check that out, right? So you got the blue cheese, put the spoon right here, have them, cutting board, nice and set up. There's only one thing left to do, guys. Gotta try the wing, So do you go drum or flat is my next question. So get my knife, let's go right down. Perfect. Look at that. Look at the smoke in there. Isn't that beautiful? So you can cut them like this, or you can let your barbarian friends just rip through it, but this is the way to roll. I'm going in. I mean, I'm not, kid's starving. I smell wings all day. Wish me luck. One bite. You only get one bite. This is how this rolls. Guys, look at that wing. Perfect. Tastes great. Blue cheese has, the spices in it, the creaminess of the blue cheese, the spice rub, a little bit of that chive effect. I got to do another little topping of this, and you can't go wrong with this. All right. Guys, this is smoked wings on the Weber grill. Bring it indoors. Bring it for tailgate season. Having some fun. Check out all our tailgate recipes. And I'm going to keep eating wings and having a good time. So let's rock and roll, guys. Enjoy this. Wow.